Blimey, it looks like it's been snowing. Even inside the truck. Right, that stuff's got it right inside here. Look at the state of this. Oh my god. Look at it from the outside. Look at that. Man, I think I need to go and get this wash. What? What? Is that the Ford? Oh my god, it is. Jimbo must have dropped it back off. Looks brand new. Insurance must have done a good job on that. Parts and repainted it. Wow. Compared to this one we've only just got. Let's go and give this one a wash. I guess he's doing the fertilising. Yep, he's doing the fertilising. Okay. I'll let him get on with that. I'll go over here, give this a wash. Actually, I'll quickly have a lime. Do you put some lime in this other grass field over there? This patch? No. Patch. Let's see what herb we can use this patch for. Could be an open pen, but maybe some sheep or something, maybe. It's a good idea. Not right now, we'll leave that for later. Just gonna go in here and line this one with the rest of this line. Sorry, they're not saying you might run away. No more people watching my videos because you're fed up with my singing. Just put some lime down here. See if there's any oh yeah, I believe we got some grass seeds in actually, as we got quite a few canisters of liquid fertilizer for the sprayer and herbicide for the sprayer, so we've got a load of seeds brought in with that, a load of grass anyway. Leave that set playing at the moment. We're going to grass seed all the other fields, get 2 cuts, some silage it, sell it, use it to buy some more fields and stuff. And we're going to go and have a look at this upper farm later once we've done the planting and that, which is only the other side of the bushes there. Speak to the estate agent and see how much it is. We'll have to see what the estate agent says. Because I know there's plenty of contracts around here, so we can get on with it. Make some extra cash. So I guess it can be one of the only ways to expand, because we're still waiting for the milk to come out. I guess we'll speak to the, speak to the estate agent and see what sort of price we're going to need and what's available on the site. I know since the vandalisation on the buildings, it must be locked up because no one being set fire to, I think. After they vandalised that tractors, we had to have batteries, and the Ford, well, that practically had to be rebuilt because they stuck sugar in the fuel. And we didn't know who started it, and the engine was knackered. We had to have it with bits replaced, and the hydraulics hoses were cut. So it's had a lot of work done, and the repaint, so it should be practically brand new, like I said. Anyway, I'm going to crack on finishing this liming, and I'll catch up once I got it finished. We'll see what's going on. Right, well, we're just going to load up the last field now. Got 6 bags of grass left. Chibuchi. Swing back, swing free. Bit of a bump right there. Nope, needs to be. I'll have to go from the side then. That just doesn't have the extra length. Right, pig's here today. Go on, get in there. Good enough. Jump out and have a look. Oh, my name's Victor. I'm the estate agent for the local area. I'm just going to meet Ben and Jerry here because they want to have a look at this farm and see how much it costs to purchase. Right, let's go and get this started. Hi Ben, hi Jerry. My name's Victor. I'm the local estate agent. Right there. Yeah, okay, cheers, yep. So we want to have a look around the farm and see how much it's going to cost because we're interested in purchasing. Yep, if you want to, well, go and, here's the keys. If you want to go and have a look around and I'll dig out the paperwork and we'll meet back here when you're ready, yes? Yep, that's fine. Right, come on in, let's go and have a look around. Ooh. Right, okay, so we've got a shed, fuel tank. Okay, what have we got? Oh, entrance on the road. Is this the one next to our farm? Let's have a look. Oh, yep, that's the one, yep, that's right by our farm. We've got some clutter, let's have a look. Shed. Another shed. There's 2 sheds. So have a look around the back here. Some more stuff done to it. We got a building space. Silos. More field over there. Another shed. Yeah, another shed. It seems to be faulty with that door switch. Press it to open and it shuts again. Okay, alright, I'll speak to them about that sometime. And maybe this one works. Oh, no, that one works. Oh, here we go. Filling point. Oh, what's in here? Ah. It's trying to. Oh, right, that's the tipping point. Okay. Nice big barn to store some more bales and stuff. More sheds. Okay, the pigsty is around the back. It looks quite nice actually. Look at this. Oh, that is cool. You get, oh, there's the gate. Wow, it's like a holiday home for pigs, isn't it? Christ, look, got a own sun deck. Now that is posh. Wonder. Wow, I wonder how much that costs to build. Right, this is a feed grain tank. What's in here? Oh, some storage area, wash and pay. That light switch. Yep. Slurry. Wonder where the manure pit is. Maybe around there somewhere. Oh, that's the shed again, so we must come around the circle. Oh, there's something over here. Let's go and have a look. Ah, there's the manure pit and that's the silage bunker. Okay. And a little bit around the side there. So, he said we got this field here. That field in the middle. And that one over there comes with it. And this one over here. Oh, this one looks like a rotty veg. Yeah. And one over there. Okay. Well, it's certainly more space. Let's go and ask him then. Do 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 do. Right, so we are very interested. How much is this? Well, how much is all this going for then? Well, the owner, he's just left it all and just went abroad, moved abroad, and he needs to sell it all to make up his funding for his life abroad, so he can retire over there. He's asked for 200,000 for the whole lot, and that's including the 5 plots of land, I think 5 or 6 plots of land. So, if you're interested, you can contact me. Here's my card. Call me in the office on the landline, or pop in and we can sort out the paperwork. Okay, well, we'll just get on to the well, I suggest we get on to the bank manager. We basically paid off our other loan, so I'm sure we can look at it as a good investment to buy this bit of land with a pig farm. I think that'd be quite good. Yeah, I totally agree. Okay then, well, if you contact me as soon as you hear from the bank, and we'll sort out the paperwork then. Okay, right then, time up and out. Right then, so, you want to go to the bank or shall I? I'll let you go. You seem to get on better with the bank manager than I do. Okay then. I'll meet you back at the farm later once I've been to speak to him. Okay? Yep, later. Okay, that's the meeting with the bank manager over. I guess that went very well. So I'm going to make my way back and speak to Ben and let him know the good news. So I'll catch you in a bit when I get back. Right then, so I've been extremely busy. I've been in the bank, seen the manager, and yesterday and today I spoke to the estate agent because I got a letter from the bank. So I'll just show you the letter that I got. Here you go, there's a letter from the bank. Ben and Jerry, Keys Farm, I am pleased to inform you that the Farmers Bank has agreed to lend you $202,000 over 3 years at the interest rate of 3.6%, 36 monthly payments of £6,020, total of $213,227, signed George Banks of the bank. So we got the money, and well, I'll go into the next bit, show you the other letter. So as you can see, I've been on to Victor, the estate agent, signed all the deeds over to us, and here's the letter. Vicious Estate and Land Sales, Ben and Jerry, deeds to farm and land. I hereby declare the sale of land numbered 132, 137, 38, 39, 40, 41 and 42 to Ben and Jerry of Keys Farm of Bayton the Oak, signed Bishop Estate CEO Victor Meldrew today. So we now own the building, the pig shed, and that land. Well, not all of it, but up until the circular bit in the middle we own, and the bits either side. So what do you think? Wow, rock on! That's awesome. We're gonna make a big business out of this. This is going so well. Considering it's raining so badly, it's like something good at least. So we can't do much work today, but hey, we can go over and have a nosy around and decide where we're going to put stuff now, can't we? So yeah, we've got 36,000. Cost us 2,653 in estate and solicitor fees, but that's not too bad. So what do you reckon? Let's go and have a butcher, shall we? Yep. Yeah, cool. That sounds. Well, would you look at that? It's stopped raining now. Typical. You shut the gate on your way out, Gary. Okie doke. Right, let's go over and discover. I'll see you on the other bit of our new farm. Okay, so you've had a look at the field. We got canola in one, wheat in another, done, and the rest is just cloud. So got quite a big amount over here, so we'll need gas. Nitrogen levels up, lime's okay, and need to work out what we need to grow actually as well for the pigs. So guaranteed to need some potatoes, something like that. Anyway, let's go and have a talk and discuss what we're going to do. Right, let's get these sheds open and have a look, see what we can put where, and I think we'll have one for right over there. We can have the harvester. We can have that one can be the seeds, I reckon. Seeds and fertilizer can go in that one, and the no, we can't put them in that one because that's got the we might be able to squeeze them in the back actually. We'll have a look, see where they go. That one over there, we've still got our sheds on the other side, so these can be for future use, I guess, because they were both empty, weren't they? Right, so let's have a look at this one over here, because we couldn't get in that one. Ah, yes, we didn't have the key for the padlock. You got the padlock keys? Yep, I just come over with them. Right, let's have a look. None of these keys fit. I wonder. Let me go and have a look in my other pocket. Yep, I got another. There's no more here. Let me have a look for these. Nope, that one don't fit. Let's try this one. Nope, no luck with that one. Nope. Well, interesting. None of these seem to fit. Okay, have to go and get the bolt cutters. Alright, I'll just go get them. Right, here you go. Right, let's see if that. Hey, here we go. Ooh, what the hell's all this? Oh my god. So that looks like a potato topper. And oh, it's a potato. Wow. Have a look at this. Look, there you go. There's two massy. Oh my god. I've got all this old equipment just left in here. Oh my god. I thought he said the farm was empty. Well, I think as far as he knew it is. But except for this shed, they must not have checked because no one had a key. And there's not. It said we got everything on here. That even includes all the junk outside. So basically, this is all ours. What a bonus! God, this old Volvo. Wow. Big dig. That'll do really well for our pits, silage pits. We've got two Massey trailers. Look at these. No, some old Massey 294S. Looks a bit worse for wear. And an old Ford, short nose. Yep. Wow. Just wow. Let's see if the tractor's any good. Let's have a go. Oh, it started. It's got no fuel though. Okay, this one's a bit. This one doesn't seem to want to start. Goes to start. Maybe it's got no. All these say they got no fuel. Let's go and have a look at the big dig. See what that does. Ooh, I think the starter motor's stuck. Oh, nearly. Wonder how long they've been sitting here. Oh, it's moving. You've got some life in this one. Right, I'll turn it off for a sec. Right, so we got one that won't start. Right, let me get hold of. Go up and speak to Jimbo, actually. See if we can come down and have a look. Alright, sounds good. Well, this sounds to be an interesting one. They bought this land and there's a shed full of equipment. A couple of tractors that won't start. Some big loader. Some trailers and that. And they want me to have a quick look before they show them out. Give them a quick lube up with some grease. I'm taking the old lubricating grease over there. So let's see what I can do. Oh, better. They asked me to stop by Victor's on the way. Give him a shout. He comes. Give him a shout. He'll come over as well. Oh, Victor's not there. Oh, he must be out. Perfect. Right, well, I'll head over to the new place and see what's going on. Gotta catch you when we get there. Oh, it seems like Victor's already here. He's in front of me. Okay. That saves me going round. Let's go and see. What's going on in the middle of the day? Parking over there. Right, let's go see. If I park here and then I can get my tools out quickly. I just jumped out by mistake. Right, Ben, Jerry. Hey, oh, thank God you're here. Can you just have a look at this stuff for us? The Ford we can't get started. Okay, hold on. Let me just get my spanners out. I'll just get some grease. Actually, I'll give you the grease pot. You can grease up the axles on these other ones. Wow, what have we got here then? Well, that's what we wanted to ask you. There's nothing about this in the deeds or anything. Well, as far as I was told, all sheds were empty. Everything on the land belongs to you now. You purchased it. So that includes all this, whether it's junk, usable or what, in this shed. It's all yours now. Oh, okie dokie. Wow, that's a lot of money worth of stuff here. It's like half paid for the land already. Well, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. And it looks like you've come onto a big winner. No wonder no one could ever get into this shed. Yeah, it did have an armoured padlock on it. I had to cut it off. Alright, well, I'll leave you guys to it. Good luck. And if you need any more land, you know where to come. Okay, yep. Wow, how lucky are they? Right, I'm going to head off home because my dinner's nearly ready. I'll leave these guys to it. To be honest, I've never really managed to get on with the guy who owned that farm. All he done, he just gave me a bank account and said, when it's sold, put the money in there. And that was all. So I guess it's sold. I'd put the money in there. I got my percentage for my sales fees. So whatever's left, he obviously didn't realise he left it in there. So that's not my problem. I let them. If they can get it working, it's a bonus for them. If not, then it's off for scrap, I guess. Anyway, I'm nearly home now, so I'm going to have my dinner and I'll catch you next time I'm needed. Right, if you grease your axles there, because we'll need to move that if we can get this one started. Right, let's have a look in the box. What have I got? Right, let's change the fuel filter. Right, that's the old one out. Let's put a new one in. Right, oil's okay, that seems good. So the rest, earth connector, give that a bit of a brush. Alright, brush it there. There we go. Right, let's just do that back up. Right, here's the keys, give it a go. Oh, there we go. We have life. Whee! Right, just need to get some fuel in these. Hey, cheers, Jimbo. You're a lifesaver. That's 2 new tractors we got in. Well, not new. I think they need a bit of a service, and yeah, they need servicing. Okay, well, I've just done the oil filter on this one, so not the oil, the fuel filters on this one's okay. Oil filter's alright, and the rest sounds okay. Well, start the other one up and we'll have a listen. Wow, that oil filter looks pretty brand new to me. Yeah. And the fuel's rocking through fine. Did it start with, when you started it first? How did it start? It just started straight away, this one. Okay, I think this one will be alright then. That one's running, so if we get this trailer out, we can take him for a drive and give him a bit of a blowout up and down the field. I'll have a look at this this big wheeler over here. Wow. Let's have a look. This is the filters. Okay. Alright, the big wheeler's going to need both filters changing, but I'll have to go back and get them ordered. They should be in tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Alright, I'll just grab my toolbox and get that out the way, and you can get on with your business. I'll come back tomorrow with the filter for the other one. I'll leave the grease here. I need another pot. Right, I'm going back to the shop. I'll speak to you guys tomorrow. Right, if you want to get the Ford backed up, we'll see about getting some of these moved and shifted around, and yeah, get them cleaned off and that, you know what I mean, and see what condition the paint's in and stuff. Yeah, it sounds good. Just amazed how much we got in here, hiding in here. It's awesome. Yeah, telling me. Alright, let's crack on then. Let me go and find a hose. There's a hose over here. We can wash them there. Okay, let's get these out then. Right, I'll lift you up, mind my head on the bars. Right, off you go. Yeah, that one looks okay. Oh yeah. Right, better get this one filled up. Oh, that was full. Oh, that sounds better. Nice bit of fresh fuel. Look, it's big brother and little brother. Big brother, little brother. Right, let's park this over there. Right, let's go and get that messy. That's that one build up as well. This one's quite a smooth drive. It's just boom. Stick this one in here as well. Actually, put it on the other side because I need to get out the trailer out yet. Actually, I wonder if that board will pull that trailer. Let's give it a go. Make sure the connectors work and stuff, you know what I mean? Not smooth as a massive. Oh yeah, it's emptied out. Right, let's jump out and give this one a wash. With a chainsaw. Waving that chainsaw about. So we've got two wheel and a single wheel. Right, let's get that off. I think it'll have to be the other Ford. The other one looks massive. And that's a front. That goes on the front. That Ford hasn't got front linkage. The other Ford hasn't. Mercedes has, and the Fiat Agri has. Right, but let's get, if you drag out the potato, the harvest with it, The root harvesting machine. Okay. Tequila multi. This can tow it. Oh, we can pull it. What about harvesting it though? We'll spin it. Steering axles, that's why. Okie dokie, we seem to be stuck on the wall a bit. We'll just look back in and out there. Oh, there we go. Let's get this washed. With the Zimmer saw. This one don't look too bad. Right, on to the next. Right, I suppose better unfold it, see if it works. Transformers. Farm machinery in disguise. Oh, that seems to be working alright. Yep. That's why it's got the smaller trailers, because this one obviously not like going to go up too high. Yep, that works. Okie dokie, right, that's a bonus. Try and get back in that shed. Maybe I should put it in one of the bays. I know it's going backwards. So it's this as soon as you go forward. I think that should be enough. Right, that's that one tested and cleaned. I'll get back in here. There we go. Unhitch. Oh. Everything seems to be working. Just waiting for the bits for the Volvo. That's going to be interesting. Rare silage bits. Anyway, right, we need to decide what we're going to do with our fields then. I assume they're going to need, they said they've been limed, so we just need fertilizer. So, let's see what we got. Scratch my foot. Right, that's that scratched. Right, I'm just going to go and have a nose around the pigsty, see what's over there. Right, just going to go and get the fertilizer spreader. If you want to come over and get the lime one, then we'll crack on with getting these fields prepared. Because we're not going to be able to plant any of the crops we need until maybe March or so. So hopefully we'll get some harvest contracts for some soybeans and stuff. We can we'll get a bit off them for now. Okay, let's crack on then. So we started on the field, so you've got a layer of slurry down on this one. Lime in it now, we've got a layer of lime over there. Got a lime pile there so we can load up. Yeah, just waiting for him to come back. We've got another load of slurry in the tanker. Bit long-winded doing the slurry because you've got to travel it all the way over to the other farm to fill up the slurry tanker. But needs must, needs must. So yeah, any part of getting these fields up to scratch is the main thing, because that's going to bring in the food and the money as well as the pigs, but they take a bit of time to grow over the year, but we need feed for them. So we're going to be putting wheat, barley and some oat in these fields, and that will make up green grist. And we've got to put sorghum, be that, or what else was we going to do? I can't think of the word now. Mind blank. Drink more coffee. I'll have to go and look it up now. Hold on. We need soybeans and potatoes. And possibly some beets or cut carrots maybe. Right, I think that's lined on enough on here. To the next field. While we're doing this, we'll come back when we've got a bit more progress. Or maybe when I'm loading up the trailer a bit with the telehandler, as they do normally. And we're back. Right, we're going to just load up the some more lime in the back of this, the realistic way. Oh, wrong backwards. There we go. This is how I see them do it in real life. They dump a load of lime in the side of the field and then basically load it into the manure trailer like this. Sort of like that. There we go. That looks more realistic. See it pouring out the side. It's like, what? There's a hole in the side. Who drove into the wall? And we got the slurry tanker in the other field with a refillable tanker, which is taking a trip backwards and forwards to the old slurry basin. And Jimbo's cracking on because he's trying out the Ford that was stored in the shed. He's giving that a good run in. After it having its service, he's replaced the filters in the big dig, as it's called, or the Volvo big wheeler. So that's ready to go. Right. Yeah, okay, I'm doing this for this one because it's more sort of like what you do in real life. You won't be using a big wheel loader all the time. This may take a bit longer, but it's a bit more realism. Like when I'm driving around, I see all the farmers in their fields, and this is how they do it. Even with the manure, you'll see loads of piles of manure in a field, and they'll just load it into the trailer, go around and spread it like this. I haven't actually got the manure out yet because I've got a basin full of slurry. And the cows aren't really producing enough to warrant doing it that way yet. I've got a few loads in the other manure bin, silo, whatever you want to call it. There's another manure silo over here for the pig farm. Well, actually there's two over here. Got the big one and the one attached to the barn, or whatever what would you like to call it. It's like a luxury hotel for pigs we have here with a sun deck upstairs and umbrellas. One more load. I do have a silo full of all this stuff. Full of lime, all this stuff. Yeah, we just call it a bit of pink stuff because it's easier. Right, that's that. That'll do. I think Jimbo's quite enjoying himself running backwards and forwards with the tanker for the slurry. I just wish you could remove that, please. Start engines. There's only one thing to do on it, and the outside rimmer. Red dwarf. Look in the other slurry tank. Chasing down the road. Well, this is so much fun. I haven't driven a tractor around the hill for quite a few years. So I think I'll jump to this chance to help out. Even gave their big wheeler a free service. And then they are good customers. They brought in a lot of work, brought a lot of equipment off me. And yeah, we've had problems with saboteurs, but sometimes that's just the way it goes. But not the saboteur side, that is totally out of order. One mine out over there, so I have no idea. I guess the police have to catch them. Right, let's go and fill them up again. Right, fill this tanker back up. Right, I'll catch you in a minute. So I came up, I had to look at the cow. So I'll come up and have a look at the cow pasture, and it needs ploughing, and it's been harvested. So the cows have harvested the whole field. Or I overlooked it. So, yeah, so I'm sure it had a road. I don't know whether saying in a grocery, because I didn't come round and harvest it myself. Cut it, so, but it said it needed ploughing anyway, so I'm going to plough it and then replant it. I wonder if I could plant it with a load of different mixes of grasses so you can eat your own food. Make them bring TMR in their bellies. Anyway, it's mega food. So I'll make a crack on with this and I'll come back in maybe a couple of days when it's finished. missed a bit of my corner there.